In this video, I'm going to show you how I evaluate keywords, whether I should make videos for them, whether they're too competitive or not too competitive. And we're going to use two methods. We're going to kind of use the basic ballparking and approximation, kind of like an eye scan test. And we're going to use also the vidIQ plugin to help us here. So I search for the business plan. So for example, let's say you identify business plan as the keyword you want to rank for. And if we scroll here, you're going to see somewhere here, I have my video that, it's got 100,000 views, so it's not bad. I made it a few years ago, so I could have made a much better video if I made it now. So the video quality is not great. If you look at it, it's not the best. I think if I had made it better, it would have had tremendously better results. But what can I do? Then I only had a certain skill level then. So if you're planning this video new, let's say you're thinking, I'll make a new video. What you want to do is take a look at who are the competitors. The first video you see is essentially just an ad, so we're going to not look at that, but this is the first organic result, and you see almost 2 million views here. And you also get to see the vidIQ plugin tells us information about these people. This channel has 500,000 subscribers, and this channel has 250,000 subscribers, which make them very, very authoritative, which means that their videos will rank higher. Also, see, this has almost 2 million views, over 100,000 views in only 6 months, whereas this video has almost 500,000 views, but it took 4 years. But this is Wharton Business School Workshops, so it's actually really authoritative channel as well. So all of these are really good. So it's a competitive space, and when you're planning this video, you want to look at, can you rank for this main keyword, and what are the long tail keywords? Like, for example, vidIQ gives you some suggestions like this. These suggestions aren't particularly helpful. You can go through more suggestions. These are not that good. We'll go over some other ones that are better in a second. But when you look at videos, let's say we look at this one video. This tells us a lot about it, right? It has really good SEO. We can see what the description is like, what's going on in there. And we can see what else they target here. Business plan for beginners, simple business plan, all this. And you can see that this video is ranking #1 for all the what's called long tail keywords. Simple business plan for beginners. So this is doing really well. And what happens is, most likely when this video first launched, right away it was easier for it to rank for the long tail keywords, and the long tail keywords gave this video so much activity and thumbs up and comments and all that, that all that activity was a big part in helping this video surpass the existing videos and rank higher in search results. What you'll see is that's actually what I did in my video as well. When I click on my video, what you'll see in this video is that, first of all, you'll see that I missed some things in the suggestions here, like I don't have maybe cards or closed captions. So there's other things I can do easily to boost my ranking. But also you can see that for the long tail, I also did target here, right? I targeted keywords like business plan template, free business plan, how to write a business plan. And you can see that in the title, how to write a business plan template, simple tips. You see all those keywords, they make permutations. Permutations just means combinations of additional searches. So like business plan template, that woman whose video we saw earlier, actually she did it better than me because she had even more permutations and she did a great job with it. So I actually applaud her for that. But what you could do, let's say for example, like this might be quite crowded now. So what you could do is, instead of targeting a long tail keyword like this, you could actually go for, let's say, business plan for a restaurant. That would be a longer tail of this. And you can do this for 100 different businesses, for a restaurant, for a mechanic, for a home business, whatever. So let's say we do a restaurant, and see, for this, with a different video, a really old video that is even worse in quality. Look, I have this like weird background. That video is still #1 for this keyword, and not bad, 40,000 views. And you can see that I did this a lot. So business plan for a mobile app, different video, but #1 here. So you see, when the main keyword is too crowded, then you just go on the long tail and you can make more videos and target more keywords. because that original video that just targeted the keyword business plan, it didn't actually come up for business plan for a mobile app. So a lot of the audience, they're not overlapping audiences. The audience for business plan for a mobile app is a different audience than the audience for how to write a business plan. So if you do go long tail on the keywords and you make more videos targeting different variations of keywords, overall, you'll actually get more views and your channel will grow in authority on the business planning topic, and it will be easier for you to grow next videos in whatever topic you choose, as long as you keep making videos in the same niche. Because YouTube is going to start seeing that you're making videos in the same niche, they're going to rank you a little higher in that niche because they're going to give you that trust and authority in that niche. So just to recap, what we walk through here is how to research competition, how to understand whether it's easy or difficult for you to rank for a certain keyword, and when to go long tail on the keywords with different videos, and how to use keyword permutations to help your videos rank higher in YouTube search.